Most people feel behind when it comes to retirement, but it's not your fault. Cost of living changed, job changed, retirement plans disappeared. In today's video, I'm breaking down why retirement feels unreachable and what you can do today to take back control. It's because the entire world shifted underneath us. Cost of living changed, jobs changed, and pensions disappeared. 401k became DIY retirement plans that no one was meant to manage. And the truth is, wages didn't keep up with any of it. So of course retirement feels impossible. Of course you feel behind. And of course the numbers just don't make any sense. But here's the part that people never hear. You're not behind. You're underinformed. And once you understand the new game, you can start playing it differently. So what can you do today to start taking back control? You start by using the one advantage no market crash, no job loss, and no economy can ever take from you. Your experience is your most reliable asset. And when you package that experience into something simple, a small offer, a skill, a framework, a lesson, it becomes a real source of income, not a lottery ticket, not a get-rich plan, but a meaningful, steady, reliable income stream that grows as you grow. That's what I teach inside the Retire Ready with James free mini course. How to take what you already know and turn it into something small but powerful. An income system that supports your life instead of draining it. You can't control the stock market. You can't control the economy, but you can control the value of your own life experience. And once you learn how to turn that into income, your retirement starts to seem possible again. Not someday, but starting today. Click the link below and start today.